Hello everyone, my name is Larasati Prajnaparamita. I will to review the film To Kill a Mockingbird. 1. Introduction. To Kill a Mockingbird is an American drama film released in 1962, adapted from the novel of the same title by Harper Lee. The film was directed by Robert Mulligan and stars Gregory Peck, who plays the main character Atticus Finch. This story is set during the Great Depression in a small town in Alabama in the 1930s, reigning them of rage, social injustice, and resistance to prejudice. To Kill a Mockingbird is a profound work of morality, honesty, and chivalry. This film is one of the films that won many awards. This film is still remembered one of the greatest work in the history of cinema, which is not only entertaining but also provides a deep moral message about justice and racism and chivalry. 2. Plot analysis. The story focuses on the life of Scott Finch and her older brother, who were raised by their father Atticus Finch. Their father was a respected lawyer in their town. The main plot of this film is the case faced by Atticus, who is assigned to defend a black man, Tom Robinson, who is accused of raping a white woman, Maya Lywell. Although the evidence shows that Tom Robinson is innocent, the city's deep racial prejudice makes it very difficult to obtain justice. 3. Character development. When Gregory Peck as Atticus Finch gives a great performance, her calm voice, caring demeanor, and meaningful expression make her character come alive. 2. Mary Badham as Scott Finch gives a natural and authentic performance. 3. Philip Alford as James Finch gives a solid performance. He shows the transition from childhood innocence to more mature understanding in a convincing way. 4. Brock Peters as Tom Robinson gives an emotional and moving performance. 5. Arthur Radley as Boo Radley is a mysterious figure who is initially considered as a monster by children, but in the end, he becomes a loving savior. Side I don't like. 1. Portrayal of black character. Tom Robinson's character is underdeveloped and only serves as narrative device to support the main story of Atticus Finch. 2. Focus on the white savior. This story rampage Atticus' role as savior, ignoring the real struggle the black community faced due to systematic racism. 4. Direction and cinematography. The cinematography, led by Russell Harlan, features a highly immersive and atmospheric atmosphere, with shots that often reinforce themes of injustice and class and racial inequality. The use of light and shadow in this film really reflects the difference between good and evil, as well as the fair and chivalry that exist within the main characters. Unique technique used in the film. 1. Children's perspective narrative direction. 2. Use of black-white contrasts. 3. Dramatic lighting and shadow chiaroscuro effect. 4. Simple but effective editing. 5. Sound and music. 1. Emotion and atmosphere price. Bernstein music uses soft tones and simple piano melodies, creating a deep emotional atmosphere. The music is not overly flashy but is very effective in building an emotional connection between the audience and the story. 2. Complementary use of sound effects. The sound design in this film is quite minimalist but actually strengthens the focus on dialogue and quiet, meaningful moments, such as during the trial. Silence is often used to emphasize the intensity of drama. 3. Appropriateness of the music to a child's perspective price. The melodies often convey the innocence of childhood, which contrasts with serious issues such as racism and injustice. 6. Theme and message. 1. Moral Chork. Atticus Finch has become a symbol of moral chork. This shows that sometimes true chork is standing up for what is right even though it is difficult to prejudice and empathy. The film also highlights the importance of empathy and the ability to see the world from another person's perspective through education and growth. To Kill a Mockingbird also show the importance of moral education, and the character in this film learn a lot about the world and what it meant to be a good human being. 7. Personal opinion. I feel this film very relevant today, considering that there are still many issues of racial injustice and prejudice that exist in society. Apart from that, the way the film depicts the world through the sea of children make it feel more moving and touching. Things I don't like when slow story development, lack of minority perspective, and this film is suitable for audience who are interested in stories that rise them of justice, racism, and morality. Last conclusion, To Kill a Mockingbird is a deep and meaningful film that only not tells about how court case, but also about how we see, understand, and interact with other people, especially when faced with injustice. The film brilliantly depicts the importance of moral value such as chork, empathy, and justice. And this film is highly recommended to see, and I give it a rating of 9 from 10.